Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add a sound to the soundboard in your server in Discord. So you are currently on my server here on Discord, and make sure you have the permission or you're the server owner on that particular server that you want to add sound to. So after you're assured of that, just click on this one on the top left corner and go to server settings and click on soundboard right here. Go click on upload sound and choose a file under files. I have mine here, so go to browse. This is the boom sound effect, and you could cut on where the sound should start and where it could end. So this like so, and you could name it. So that I'll name it like boom, just like that, and an emoji to go with it. So let's go with a boom emoji. You could adjust the volume. So let's go with the maximize volume here. Click on upload. Once you're done, you'll see it here. To test it, you can go to a voice channel on your server. Let's go to like game aim, and you'll see this open soundboard. Just click on that, and here's our already made sound for our soundboard here. So let's try. So just like that, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.